The Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System, commonly referred to as WHMIS, first came into effect on October 31, 1988. It was created to address the rights of Canadian workers to know about health and safety hazards associated with chemicals that they use or may come in contact with in the workplace. In February 2015, Canada aligned WHMIS with the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals. GHS was developed as an international initiative to bring global standardization to chemical hazard classification and communication. While the adoption of GHS has resulted in some changes to WHMIS, it offers the same, if not additional protection to workers. GHS is a global system that was developed by the United Nations with the expectation that it would increase safety for employees who work around hazardous chemicals. GHS standardizes how chemical hazards are classified and how the health and safety information associated with hazardous products is communicated. So basically, the same thing that WHMIS was created for, except GHS is meant to standardize this on a global scale. Makes perfect sense considering how much importing and exporting is happening these days. Think about it. Imagine if your company was getting hazardous products from several different countries, and each of those countries had a different system in place for classifying and communicating information about them. This could be really confusing for all of us, and it would be a nightmare to train everyone and stay up to speed on all the systems. GHS is a good thing, and the changes to WHMIS are welcomed.